In this video, I will show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. First things first, open up your Google Chrome web browser. Once it's launched, head over to youtube.com. Make sure you're logged into your YouTube account for full access to all features. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture icon. Click on it. A menu will appear. From this menu, locate and click on Appearance. Once you click Appearance, you'll see options for light theme and dark theme. Simply select dark theme. And just like that, YouTube transforms into a stylish dark mode. But wait, there's another way to enable dark mode if you prefer adjusting settings through your Windows operating system. Start by locating the Windows icon on your taskbar at the bottom. Click on it. From here, navigate to Settings. Next, click on Personalization. In this section, click on Colors. In Colors, you'll find an option labeled Choose Your Mode. Click here. And select Dark. This changes not only your system theme but also influences how applications like YouTube display their interface when opened. And there you have it, 2 simple methods for enabling dark mode on YouTube, either directly through your account settings or via Windows personalization. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.